Okay, so this is how you can do option 4 of your assignment. Again, go to assignment, pick 2. You've got these 4 options. You're picking 2. So click on option 4, written response. This one's really, really straightforward. So this is a shared Google Doc. Anyone can edit it. Please don't delete or edit anyone else's work, just add your own, okay? So your task is you're adding to this document. It's basically kind of like a written conversation with your peers, okay? So here's your prompt. It's just like the triceps prompt that we usually do. So you pick one of these things, you choose one to write about, explain why it stood out to you. You should include text evidence, okay? So basically it's just this chart. There's an example done for you. In the first column, you put your name. In the second column, you put your response. So just scroll down to the first row that's open. So insert your name. That's a good fake name. Han Solo. I went through a Star Wars phase. Okay. So I might say, well, the characterization in this story. Notice that it's asking you, just to make it a little easier to read, to bold whatever device you're focusing on. So like characterization, I would bold that. And then try to bold your evidence as well to prove that you're using evidence. Remember 5 to 8 sentences and just go to the first blank row here, okay? You got it.